Okay. Okay, everyone, so let's say you're welding and you have to weld in all different types of positions, and lighting is going to be an issue. So what I've done is I've custom made my own light. Basically, it's two flashlights put in on top of my helmet, but the thing about it is they're different light temperatures. One is a detailer's light, which looks like it's about a 4,000 Kelvin, and the other one is more of a mechanic's light, and this one looks like it's like a 5,000 Kelvin. And it's easy to turn on, it's easy to add on here. The reason why I put the cardboard is because that way you're not bumping it into stuff and causing some scratches if you were to bump like the door edges or just something in wherever you're working at. And it also confines the light into this little hood. So check it out. Just like that. Pretty simple design. Just basically two lights with a cardboard cover. So, real easy to see. I can be like this, and I always got light. I always have light. I always have light wherever I'm welding. I don't need to bring a lamp. Wherever I'm looking is whatever I'm seeing in my welding zone. It's so easy to be able to see things now. It's just two lights, so I'm gonna show you how I made it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open source this and document this for you. It's open source, you can see. It's not that difficult. So the beauty of it is it's easily removable. So this is just the shroud here. This is the shroud. There's a shroud. It's a cardboard shroud. Let me get some light here. Okay, just a cardboard shroud. And it's got an angled cut. And there's two flashlights right here. And it just goes like that. And now, now when I'm welding, I can easily see. And it kind of looks like that TV show where it's like Battlestar Galactica, the helmets that they had. One of my favorite shows. But it has this light thing. And I just press the button. Now I got light. So let's say I'm TIG welding right here. It's easy to see the tungsten tip, and wherever I'm looking, the light is always there. The biggest problem with bringing your own lamp or your light, you're either going to get some refraction coming from behind you and all you see are your eyeballs. Well, now I can literally weld in a dark room and know exactly where I'm welding because I can see it directly in my welding zone. So it's just, if you want to see it again, that's what it looks like. And the flashlight is a stylus flashlight. Here, I'll even open this up here for you. And one's a scan grip flashlight. So I just put tape. This is the flashlight. It's a stylus. Here, I'll use the light to light the flashlight. Where is it? There, it's a stylus. And it's got a nice little clippy thing here, so it hooks right onto the back of the helmet. And then this one here is a detailer's light. And this one has an adjustable, gotta be careful, this helmet is expensive. Careful that hood. So this one has an adjustable focus. You can go like this. It narrows your or widens your light focus. I keep it fully extended, which narrows the light pattern. So look how bright that light is. Now it's wide. It's bright. So these two together create a balance of light, you know? Look at that. So I can see. So once again, the light is, and look how easy it is to put back on my helmet if I need to change the batteries. Okay? Just gonna pull this back a little bit. I need to change batteries. I just have to unclip them, but slide it back on here like this. Oops. And the tape is sticking on each other right now. Okay, well, even if the tape is stuck on each other right here, it gets stuck right there, not a big deal, because the pen itself still clips on there and it stays pretty much fixed, you know? Here, I don't know, lighting's kind of sucky in here, but all right, and then this one just mounts on top like that. And you can adjust the, I want to go in closer here. Now I got some more light. Okay, you can adjust the angle of your beams, you know. So I'm going to keep it right there, and then just take some more masking tape and just sort of hold them down like that. And then this goes like this, just to give that little bit of a streamlined look. And now they're in there. So, and you just turn it on from the back because right there, it's already held on to this. You can just push on it. Now they're both on, you know? So it works. So if you need more light, make some light happen, you know? And I always need light. So that's how you make the light happen. That's all I gotta say. I'll put a link for these lights in the description. Maybe not right away, but I'll put them, you know, soon, so you can see which lights they are, because they do work on this helmet, on this hood. And where's my other hood? I haven't tried out my Weldmark hood yet, but let's see. Let's see if it works. Look how it's pretty easy to remove, and then okay, so now this is my other hood here. Let's go back over here. Now put this one up there. Like that. Okay, so now I got that working on this helmet. And you don't even need to put a shroud on here, but I'll take the shroud off of this one, off of this welding helmet, and I'll transfer it over. Easy to do. Just masking tape and cardboard. So this is the design of what it looks like. Just looks like that. And put some bends in it. then put it on top here, right here. Make sure the light is pointed where you want it, you know, directly straight ahead. And then just cap it like that. So now, this one, has the lights there. And same thing. I can see, and another thing too is the light temp doesn't interfere with the auto darkening feature of these helmets. So it doesn't all of a sudden make it go dark. It actually maintains the illumination that you can see as if you're looking at it like right now. And when I put this on here, I can still see how it's looking like this. And then when I strike the arc, then of course the helmet goes dark. But I can still, it penetrates past the darkness and I can still see what I'm doing. So it works on this hood and it works on this hood. So give it a try. You might like it, but it does make it a lot easier to see because you gotta be able to see what you're doing, right? Otherwise, you're gonna have some beads that don't look that good. So you gotta see what you're doing. Okay, that's all I got to say, and have fun out there. All right.